Now work with those three different forms: slope-intercept form, this one, standard form, we have this, and then point-slope form. So those three forms we're going to talk about in this video. Okay, we're going to do a very good review of linear equations. So we're going to work with those three different forms: slope-intercept form, this one, standard form, we have this, and then point-slope form. So those three forms we're going to talk about in this video. So you can pause the video, you can read these definitions, but basically we're going to work with this. So we have 8 different exercises. We're going to go one by one. So that's a very good review. You're going to do, if you are in 9th grade, you're going to do ACT, SAT, GED, all those standardized tests. It's important that you know the linear equation. So let's go to the first one. First one says, given the slope-intercept form y equals 3x minus 5, convert into a standard form, ax plus by equals c. So we're going to do it here like step by step. So number one is, we have this equation, y equals 3x minus 5, and we need to change it to ax plus by equals c. So you see the x and the y are in the same side of the equal, and the c, which is the constant, is in the other side alone. So the only thing I do is the 3x, I move over there, so it will be minus 3x plus y equal minus 5. Now if you look at the form, it's preferred to leave the x positive. So what I will do is multiply everything by -1. So that will be 3x minus y equals 5. So this is the answer for the first question. Okay, so we're gonna go to the second right away because there are 8. It's gonna take a little bit. So number 2, convert the standard form equation 2x minus 3y equals 6 to slope-intercept form. Now we're gonna do the inverse process. So we have now 2x minus 3y is equal 6. So what I will do is the 2x I move to the other side, so it will be minus 3y is equal 6 minus 2x. Okay, and then the minus 3, it goes down dividing. I'm gonna switch those two because remember it's mx plus b. So mx, I'm gonna put this first, 2x minus 2x plus 6, and then the negative 3, I put it down, divided by minus 3. That's equal y. Now one thing that students get confused sometimes, they only divide one number by this minus 3, but you have to divide both. So you have to divide this one, that will give you an answer, and you have to divide this one, that give you another answer. So minus divided by minus is plus, so I have 2/3 of x, and then plus divided by minus is minus, so minus 2. So here we have, this is the answer for the second. This one, change it into slope-intercept form. So let's go to number 3. Number 3, given the point-slope form equation, now we have point-slope, convert to slope-intercept form. This is one of the easiest, number 3. So this convert into this. The only thing I have to do is this multiplying by those two, and then the minus 4 here is plus 4, and basically it's done. So I'm gonna do it here. So y minus 4 it's equal minus 2x plus 1. Okay, and I have to change it to slope-intercept form. Minus 2 times x minus 2x. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. This minus 4 go here, plus 4. Plus 4. Let's equal y. And now this is the same, and then only this one minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So minus 2x plus 2. That's it. That's the equation. Okay, that's number 3. Let's go now to number 4. I'll take another paper here. Okay, Let's do number 4. Now it's a little different. It says, given the slope-intercept form, we have this, and the point, we have this, write the equation in point-slope form. We have to write it in this. So here, from here, the only thing we need is the slope. The slope is mx, remember, so the slope is 1/2. And here we have a point. Remember, the first number is x and the second one is y. And now I'm going to write this equation. We substitute here in the y1 and in the x1, and the slope is 1/2. So we're going to write it. So it will be something like this. It will be y minus, the value of y is 5. It's equal m, the slope is 1/2, times x minus the value of x is 4. Okay, so you see here, value of x is 4 and y is 5. The slope is 1/2. That's it, done. That's the only thing we have to do over here. So it's very easy, but you need to know what you're doing. Okay, so let's go to number 5. Convert the standard form equation to point slope form using the point 1 and 3. Standard form to point slope. Okay, we need the slope, so we need to find the slope from here. That's the first step. We need the slope. So x plus 2y is equal 7. X goes here minus x, so 2y is equal minus x plus 7. Now these two go divided. Remember, divide both. So y is equal minus x over 2 plus 7 over 2. Now remember, when you have this no number here, that means a 1. So my slope m is equal minus 1/2. So this is my slope. And the point, the problem is giving us the point 1,3. So now we're ready to write the equation in slope-intercept form. So what we do is y minus the y is 3. It's equal negative 1/2. Parenthesis x minus 1. This is the answer. That's the point slope with the conditions that they give it to us. So let's do number 6. Almost done. Convert the point slope equation, this one, to standard form. Okay, so here we need to do the multiplication of this, then we need the x in the other side, remember, and the constant, we need it in the other side. So let's work with this. So we have y minus 2 is equal 4x minus 3. So this is 4x. 4 times negative 3 is minus 12. Okay, and this minus 2 goes here, plus 2, and then we have a y. Okay, after this, the 4x goes over there. Remember, minus 4x plus y, it's equal, this is minus 10. Now remember, we want to have this positive, so we're multiplying everything by negative 1, and that will be 4x minus y is equal 10. All right, there we have. That's the answer for number 6. Okay, let's go to number 7. Determine the slope of the given by the standard form equation, this, so of the line given. So we need to find the slope here. Let me change the color. Don't get confused. Use the red one now. Use this small piece here. So the slope is very simple. The 5x goes here minus 5x, and the minus 2 go divided. Okay, that's it. Very simple. So minus 2y is equal minus 5x plus 8. That's the first step. Now the minus 2 goes down, and the answer is 5 over 2. Y equal minus 5 over minus 2x plus 8 divided by minus 2. So I don't care too much about the back, so the front is 5 over 2. So my slope, because what they're asking is determine the slope of the line given. So the slope of the line given, minus divided by minus, remember, is plus. So the answer is 5 over 2. So that's m, my slope. If they want the y-intercept will be minus 4. Okay, that's it. So let's do the last one. The last one is number 8. Given the Poisson form equation, here you have Poisson, identify the y-intercept. So the y-intercept, now we do, remember, this times this times this. Y minus 7 is equal minus 3x plus 6. Now this minus 7 here will be plus 7, minus 3x plus 6 plus 7, that's the y, and then this is a 13. So 13 is the answer. But because they says, given the slope-intercept form equation, identify the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is the 13. Thank you very much. Have a great day.